what difficulties did you see or did you come across when doing an outdoor sign for a lobby?
So doing an outdoor sign as an indoor sign did pose a kind of a big promising question of how we were going to get something to hang on drywall that would usually hang in brick or exterior walls. The logo out of 4 foot by 1 inch thick acrylic with an 1/8 inch aluminum face weighed at the end about 225 pounds. So the sheer weight of that on drywall was kind of sketchy. Um, to do that, we ended up putting probably about 10 studs in it, which we would normally do exterior about 4 studs. Some of the things we ran into was firewall behind the regular wall where they did the build out. If I could change anything, I would have tried to land on the sign before they finished the build out and pre-wire the wall to save us a little bit on install. With the unforeseen firewall, it took about twice as long to install.